We found an unusual trade on Lennar Stock today, June 17th. And what's also very unusual is that Lennar reports earnings today after hours. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how this wealthy investor is trading Lennar for earnings. Is it bullish or bearish? So that we can also trade in the same direction to make money while the rich are getting richer on Wall Street. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, sometimes leaked insider information, to make better financial decisions. So without further ado, let's dive into the data as usual. As we can see here on the option time and sales tape, 1,525 contracts being traded today for the July 19 160 strike calls. Now, you can see here that the color is red because the price is being traded at the bid price. So you may think this is a sell order, but based on our analysis, we believe there's a higher chance that this is a buy trade, where they are buying these call options, not necessarily selling these. Okay, so when we take a look at the chain, you can see these July 19 options here. At the 160 strike calls, we are also in this same position where we are buying it, and that is why it is colored green. Okay, you can see here volume 3,600, much greater than the open interest, so we know these are opening trades. And that is why it is a higher risk trade, because of earnings, and also could this be a sell trade, right? So if you want access to the higher chance of profit trades that have lower risk, then go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here where we share the trades of wealthy investors using our analyses and our option strategies to reduce risk while gaining profits. So this wealthy investor, we believe, is buying these 160 strike calls to open. And you can see that on the profit loss graph here, the x-axis is the share price of Lennar Stock, currently trading right here at $156 per share. And on the y-axis, we have the profit loss. 0 here is the break even. So if the purple and blue lines are below this break even, it is a loss. And that is why if Lennar trades lower, it becomes a negative for these call options. If it trades higher, it is a positive profit. Okay. And when we take a look at this break even, you can see here, this is where the 0 line meets the blue line. Okay, the blue line represents the expiration date, where Lennar has to be trading for these call options to be profitable. Notice how the purple line immediately break even is where it currently is. So after earnings, if it rallies, these will be immediately profitable. But there is a decay on these call options, which is why this purple line will eventually start to decay in value and fall down. And that is why this break even is actually higher as time passes, because of the Greeks, especially the theta here, that is a negative 12. So that is the risk with trading long single call options. Okay, and that is why we set up option strategies to reduce our risk by adjusting a lot of these Greeks to reduce risk and increase profits. Okay, we can see here delta is a positive delta, so we know immediately this is a bullish long trade, not a short bearish. If it was, it would be a negative delta. Now this break even, you can see, is at $166.41 at expiration. So Lennar has to trade at this $166 price level above this for those call options to be profitable. But as we mentioned, if it rallies after earnings right away, they will be profitable immediately. So let us know in the comments below, what do you think? Will Lennar rally? Is this trade being done by an insider? Is this trade selling call options as opposed to buying call options? Because if you take a look at this, where this is buying, if we were to readjust this to a sell, you can see that actually it's a mildly bearish trade, because now you can see if we go up in price, it will still be profitable. The break even is actually still here at around 166 as well. So either way, right, you have a bearish trade that is shorting Lennar stock. It has to stay below 166, whereas the buy, which is a bullish, has to be above 166. Okay, so that is the difference between a buy and a sell. Very critical to get this type of analysis correct. Again, this is an earnings trade, so high risk. If you are interested in the lower risk, higher profit trades that we share with our members, make sure to go to our website where you can learn how to gain access to those stock picks. Let us know in the comments below, what do you think will happen to Lennar for earnings? Will it rally or will it crash based on this data? As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and have a wonderful day.